Whoa. Nice greeting.
My skin's so good.
Oh, how cute.
See? The mini. It's not that big and not too small. Rishi's iPad, the Wall 2012, with love from Daddy and Mama, or Mommy. See?
I can't get it. Oh, I can't get it. How come I can't
Put
get
on
it?
the underhead.
No, it's like, take the back, take the, I don't have the case
Huh?
for it either. There, maybe that'll be better. Here, yeah, like that.
Turn on the
No,
underhead.
no, not that. Rishi's iPad, Diwali 2012, with love from Daddy and Mommy.
Wow. Wow, that unboxing review is right. That glistering, shiny
Oh, you
thing.
really need to have a case for that. That is awesome.
Stick out the back of an
Is that what you wanted, Rishi, for Diwali?
Yeah. I want iPad 2 to put on my Christmas list.
I always wanted iPad 3. Where am I going to get it, Mama?
And this.
What do you
and then
have?
you have earpods.
Charger, sync cord.
And the Apple stickers, which we probably have like 2 million of.
Mama, when are the iPad 3's going to come out?
Okay.
You like that?
Can't wait to turn it on. And then get all my stuff on it and be able to use it.